Hello everyone and welcome to Entrant. Today we are going to continue with the second part of the chapter 6, that is fun with give and take. I hope you have practiced the concepts of addition and subtraction. So let's get started. So now our first exercise requires us to deliver some letters because our postman is ill. So what we have to do is we have to add or subtract and we will get the room number from here. Then we have to circle that room number over here. Okay, so let me do one for you. 444 plus 10 is 455. Now just circle 455 here. Okay, this is done. Now 467 plus 11. What do we do? 467 plus 10. First we get 477 plus 1 because we had to add 11 in total. So 478. Here this is 478 room number and so on. So after all the calculations we get these numbers. Okay. Moving forward, now we have to write missing numbers in each of the following by observing patterns. For example, here 100, 200, 300, we are adding 100 each, right? I think this is simple. Now 900, 800, 700, we are subtracting 100. What will we get here? 600, 500, 400 and 300 and so on. Try other parts on your own and I will just show you the answers. Okay, so we get these answers. Now a little mental maths for you. 80 minus 35 gives us 45. We don't have to calculate, we have to answer immediately and do the calculations in your mind. Okay, 45 plus 35. Shortcut, 45 plus 35, we can expand 35 as 30 and 5. So 40 and 5 is 50, right? Plus 30 is 80, right? We can do this much calculations, but not like the whole traditional method. 50 plus what gives us this? How do we know what answer do we need? We will go here. 75 minus what will give us 50? 75 minus 25 will give us 50. Here we have 25, 50 plus 25 will give us 75. Here we have to do this method. This way we have to solve. I have again done the exercise for you. Try it on your own first and then check the answer from here. Moving on, we have some practice questions now. Okay. Indu's pencil is 15 centimeter long, whereas Jyoti's pencil is 8 centimeter long. Whose pencil is longer? Obviously Indu's, because 15 is more than 8. How much longer? 15 minus 8 equals to 7. So by 7 centimeters, Indu's pencil is longer. Clear? Ask your mama or papa price of 1 kilogram salt, price of 1 kilogram sugar, and okay, do this exercise at home. This is similar to this. Okay. Next, Ajay cooked chapatis in 25 minutes. He made dal in 15 minutes. How much time did he take to cook both the things? What will we do? We will add 25 plus 15 because we need to know the total time he took. So he took 40 minutes in total to make both chapatis and dal. Next, Chanchal sells school sweaters. In 2 days, she sold some red, blue and grey colored sweaters. Sweater sold in first day, sweater sold on second day. How many grey sweaters did Chanchal sell in second day? Grey sweaters, second day, 89, right? Did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in day 2? Day 2, she sold 40 red sweaters and 23 blue sweaters. The question is saying, did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters? Yes, right? We can see. How many red and grey sweaters did she sell on the first day? Red and grey sweaters. 38 plus 74. 112 sweaters. More than 120? No. Less than 120. Less than 120. Last, how many sweaters in all did she sell on the second day? Second day, 40, 23, 89. 152. More than 140. Clear? This is simple. You just need to understand the language, what the question is asking you. Okay, next question is, Sangeeta went to market with her grandpa. Ghee is rupees 120 rupees costlier than biscuit. Okay, ghee is 127 and biscuits are 25. We will subtract because we need to know the difference between the two. 102. Yes, correct. Price of oil and ghee altogether is more than 200. Oil is 70, ghee is 127. 190. No, incorrect. And so on. Okay, we have done the last two parts as well. Now moving forward. Okay, so Dolma has 4 dozens of bananas. What is a dozen? 1 dozen equals to 12 bananas. Okay, we have to remember this. So, therefore, she has 48 bananas. She gave one to her friends. After that, she was left with 13 bananas. How many friends got a banana? Usually, we do 48 minus 13. But now we are going to use counting as to subtract the numbers. So, we will start counting further than 13 till we reach 48. We usually count in 10 because it gets easier. So 13 plus 10, 23 plus 10, 33 plus 10, 43. If we add 10 now, we will have 53. That is more than 48. So we will just add 5. That will give us 48. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 gives us 35. This is the result we will get after subtracting as well. Here, let us see some questions on the same concept. Now, 56 minus 37. We will not do it directly. We will use counting. Okay. Count further from 37 till we reach 56. 37 plus 10, 47 plus 10, 57. But we need 56. So we less 1. Therefore, 10 plus 10 minus 1 will give us 19. Right? Therefore, 56 minus 37 will also give us 90. 60 minus 45. Start counting from 45 till you get to 60. Okay. 45, we could do one more thing. We could add 10 over here. So we would have gotten 55. Then we would have added 5 to get 60. The same thing has happened over here as well. But they have added 5 first. So that is completely okay. So 5 plus 10, 15. Therefore, 60 minus 45, 15. Clear? Do the rest on your own. Okay, so these are the answers. So there was this king who loved horses, but he could only count up to 9. Okay. So he kept all his horses in such a way, he opted for this arrangement. That is, from each side, he only counted 9 horses. He opted for this arrangement. Okay. So one day, a visitor came with 4 horses. Okay. It was getting dark and he wanted to stay there. But the king's horse keeper was very scared because king used to come every day and count his horses. So the visitor said, "Don't worry," and he opted for this combination. How is this combination and this combination different? Obviously, there are 4 more horses over here. But will the king get to know that? No, because still there are only 9 horses from each side. So the king will never get to know. Right? He doesn't care that in how many horses are there in each box. No, he is only concerned with the total number of them. Okay, so how many horses are there now? Here there are 28 horses, whereas here there were 24 horses. Okay, so after that, as usual, the king came to count the horses and he counted and he was like, okay, fine. He was satisfied and he went back to sleep. So you have to be smart even though you are a king, right? So that is it for this chapter. Keep revising, keep learning, and keep looking out for more videos. Thank you.